In today's video, I'm going to go over something that you need to know about before you start on Mounjaro. Maybe you're on Mounjaro now, but something that you need to take into consideration right after this intro. If you've been following my channel, I've been doing this Mounjaro since last June. When it first came out, I started the 2.5, I went to the 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, and 15. I've been on 15 now for about 2 months now. And one thing that I've noticed, and I want to just give a stern warning to you guys, if you have not taken Mounjaro yet, take this into consideration. Do not, and I repeat, do not take Mounjaro during the week because it may have side effects within the first 24 to 48 hours. So I found the best time to take Mounjaro is on the weekend, whether that be a Friday evening, a Saturday, or Sunday, but usually don't do it on a Sunday because if you're coming back to work on a Monday, you just don't want to take the chance of having these side effects when you're at work. Now, take into consideration, I am speaking coming from a person who only works Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, work in an office. So during the weekend, I am at home doing my own stuff. So I am able to have freedom and liberty to do what I need to do if I'm not feeling very well, if I feel lethargic, if I feel sluggish, if I feel, you name it, whatever the side effects may be that you actually deal with when you take this medication. So wanted to jump on here real quick. I did not want to make this a long video, but I wanted to just give a warning because many people are getting on Mounjaro. Every day somebody new is getting on Mounjaro. They're hearing about Mounjaro. It's blowing up right now. It's becoming very popular. And so this is some helpful information for you. You take it the way you want to take it. If you want to heed my warning, great. If not, go ahead and try it out. If you have these side effects, then, go ahead and do what I said and just take it on the weekend. Then you don't have to worry about side effects. It's a weekly injection. So if you take it on a Friday evening, you might have a side effect or many side effects, depending on who you are and how it affects you, on Saturday. And hopefully by Sunday, you'll start feeling better by the time you go to work on Monday. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking this video out. Hope to see you on the next one. I'm putting videos out all the time to help you with Mounjaro. Several different things that I'm doing on this channel. Hit the like button, because it does help with the algorithm and helps other people be able to find this video faster. But more importantly, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you're in this community and you can be a part of this. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so that way every time I post a video that is helpful for you, that I found to be helpful for me, you will be notified. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you on the next video.